So Realme GT 5 Pro. In this video we're going to talk about this mobile. First let's start with the display size. Yes, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of AMOLED display, and it is a 144 Hz refreshed display. And this mobile also comes with a HDR10 plus supported display, and it is also a 10-bit supported display, and it also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Now let's move on to the next section, that is this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, it comes with almost like I don't know if this is correct or not, but according to rumors it might comes with a 7 5G bands. Yes, that much low, I would say. And when we talk about the camera section, yes, this mobile comes with a triple camera at the rear side, where you can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera with optical image stabilization, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and 4K 30 fps we can shoot up, not 8K. And for the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And also this mobile comes with a bigger battery, that is 5260 milliamps of battery. It supports 100 watts of super VOOC charge through wire, and also a 50 watts of fast wireless charge and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about the RAM and storage capacities, this mobile comes with in different variants. Those are like 8GB RAM 128 base model, and 12GB RAM 128 middle model, and a 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. These are all like Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 storage capacity. So combining these three, we can expect a killer performance with this mobile. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with latest features. Those are like Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features. And also when you talk about the multimedia, this mobile comes with a stereo speakers, but this mobile doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack or loudspeaker. And when you talk about the body, this mobile comes with a front back glass and metal frame, but this mobile doesn't come with any IP68 water or dust resistant durability. And this mobile also comes with the operating system. When we talk about the operating system, yes, this mobile comes with Android version 14 out of the box with the Realme UI latest version. And this mobile will be available in different colors. I will leave a link to that in the description box down below. I will leave the colors in the description box down below with other videos of my channel, so you can watch them from there, obviously. And by the way, if you are watching the video until now, subscribe and hit the like button. That will give me a boost. And this mobile, when we talk about the price, this mobile might comes with a price tag of like 54,000 rupees for the base variant. I mean like the 55,000 rupees, because 54,999 rupees, almost 55,000 rupees. So these are the major features of this mobile. And this mobile also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, and so those are the security features. And when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with the mobile itself, and also comes with a it might comes with a 100 watts of fast charger and a Type-C cable, and quick start guides or some manuals and simulator tool. But this mobile doesn't comes with any split like the Type-C to 3.5mm jack. So the things which you have to keep in mind when you are going to buy this mobile. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.